Welcome back to Pree Dis, guys. Now, 10 years ago, he won the Fashion Face of the Caribbean male title. Now, living in New York, we caught up with former Saint International model, Dane.
Girl, you the one I want to hold it. And if you want me, girl, you got it. There's nothing I wouldn't do just to get up next to you. Girl, you the one I want to hold it.
I mean, it all started about 2005. You know, it was actually a coincidence. You know, my father was meeting his friends on Portmore Mall that day. You know, I went across with him. They were having this, what do you call it, model search, apparently. So, you know, being there, you know, I was asked if I was there to enter. I was like, no. But then, you know, after being, you know, pursued a few times, you know, I decided, you know, let me give it a shot. And that's how it all started. I think the first competition was Fashion Face of the Summer, and that was the one where I guess I kind of placed fourth, basically. And then a year or maybe a couple months later, they had Fashion Face of the Caribbean, where I placed first in that one. Jamaica wasn't really the best option, you know, because there's a lot more out there in the market. So I had to step out to really see for myself. Because I mean, like doing trips in like London, Milan, Paris, yes, that was good. So that kind of showed me I was out there already. So when I came to New York, it was like, okay, I like this. You know, it's more opportunity here, so let me do it. I mean, I was born in Kingston, and I grew up in Spanish Town. I went to St. Catherine High School. Then after St. Catherine, I went to St. Jago High School. And then I also went to Miami, where I went to Boyd Anderson High School. I've been doing shows, campaigns. I mean, I've met people I never thought I would meet in my life, basically. So it kind of showed me a lot that's going on in the world, not just on TV. I mean, like you see stuff on TV, you be like, oh, that's cool. But when you actually, I mean, like in America, where you know, where it's right next door to you, I get to see it firsthand. So some of the designers I've worked with is like Francis Hendy, one of my favorite. I mean, Austin Paul, and even Adidas. I mean, let's name a few really. Well, I mean, I have a few projects that's going on, yes. Being signed, that's still open. So, but the projects are like, I mean, I've been doing magazine shoots, you know, shows regardless. I mean, I still get calls, okay, you know, can you do this for me? I'm like, yes. So, I mean, I'm available to do stuff still.
He directed Vybz Kartel's Miami Vice episode video, and he's a popular dancer on the party scene in Spanish Town. Rockstar recently celebrated with his friends at Jewel Resorts in Portmore. Let's check out the highlights.
A Miami Vice episode. We a star and a feel we show. Hey, girl, I wanna give you more. Girl, it's forever if you wanna. It's forever if you wanna. I love the beach vibes, up in at the club night. Me love pool park.
I don't know, say a view from the 876. And a Rockstar attack, I don't know, say a white out thing, you see me? Earth strong. Just on 19, you get me, I say? You don't know the thing.
Yo, here we go and big up the whole viewers. You see me, I say, I don't know a view from 876, the Earth strong youth. You see me, I don't know, you have to give more strength, more blessing. You see me, you don't know the things set already. But you get so, Pree Dis, away this. You see me?
Say yo, across our white attack, you know, you don't know, say a teamwork, the dream work. You see me? Big up all I man them in there from Whiteout Gang still, you see it? But who there don't know enough love and respect, you see me? Don't know say a Rockstar Earth strong, you see it? So we there go all the vibes and the place well shampoo. Kiko! Shampoo down. Up. Jano, Pree Dis. Brother, big up on Earth strong, you don't know a thing go. More love. Yeah. I don't know about Pree Dis. Up. Yeah, I don't know. Big up the whole Sock Central girl. I don't know. Fast Car Brooks. Squad, I don't know. You know how I think go already, you see me? So here me I say, is that your picture? You come take the picture of them and make the thing look pretty. You get me I say?
This one say big up Rockstar upon him birthday. Big up my brother and my sister. The environment nice and clean, the food. Everything nice.
On the setting right there up on the pool side. You can see scene in the background. I don't know. Right at Joe's Hotel over there. Big up Rockstar. Happy birthday, my friend. I don't know how far where I come from. Big up all the thugs them are there. Just the man them in the circle. I don't know. Nothing too big. Yeah, man. I just there go all the vibes, you know? Pree Dis.
Miami Vice episode. We a star and a feel we show. Hey, girl, I wanna give you more. Girl, it's fun.
Happy birthday, my friend. I don't know. Big up yourself. The vibes nice. Everything. Setting shot. To the right on the seaside. Just go and chillax and eat some food and thing. Is it? Pree Dis. We this.
Their party's like off the chain. I so love it.
Now we're on to our third and final commercial break, but before we go, let's check out this accident prevention tip courtesy of Superior Parts Limited.
Here are a few tips on how you can stay safe on the roads. If you drink, do not drive. Put your cell phone in the glove compartment until you reach your destination. Always wear your seatbelt. Drive defensively and always leave enough space to avoid other drivers in the case of an emergency. This tip is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.